Dudes, you knew it was time. You knew that somehow during this wine advent calendar we were going to see more grapes from Sicily. Easy for me to say, right? To say, right? It's day 18 and we're talking Frappato. Frappato is a grape that is native to Sicily and frankly is one of my top 5 favorite wines right now. Low to medium body, low tannin, medium acid. If you are tired of Pinot Noir and you see a Frappato, grab it. You're going to fall in love. Very red fruit in profile. Strawberries, cranberries, pomegranate, tart. But then every now and then you get a little bit of a clove reference in there. So that always comes as a pleasant surprise. Like I said before, Italy, Sicily, this is where you're getting the majority of Frappato. I don't even know if it's grown anywhere else in the world, to be honest. I probably should check the internet for some stats and see if it's grown anywhere else. And I don't think we should overthink Frappato if you're looking for a bottle. Grab a Planeta Frappato. Planeta is one of the wineries that really started the trend of upping the quality in Sicily and making it a worldwide force right now. That's all I got for you. Hey, thank you for joining on this Advent calendar journey or Advent calendar experiment. It depends how you view this. But if you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so, right? 94.93% of you out there that are watching are not subscribed, so it would mean a lot to me if you hit that little subscribe button. I mean, come on, who wouldn't want to see my face tomorrow when we go to day 19 of this calendar? But thanks for joining, and I'll talk to you soon.